exit ramps, or wherever limited vision exists on the road ahead of you. Keep an eye on the mirror when stopping on slippery roads. In the event of a skid in a vehicle without anti-lock brakes, take your foot off the brake and let the wheels roll until the skidding stops. Then apply the brakes lightly and intermittently. If you have anti-lock brakes, you must keep constant pressure on the brake pedal. The best advice to avoid a jackknife: don't put yourself in a position where you need to brake hard. One of the most serious errors a professional driver can make is to neglect proper speed and space management. Professional drivers understand that avoiding accidents requires a keen awareness of traffic, the road, and weather conditions. In addition, it means compensating for the actions and mistakes of other drivers. By remaining alert and observing the actions of other motorists, you, the professional driver, can avoid dangerous situations before they result in an accident by properly managing your speed and space.